Hello everyone, I'm KB Kwan from TasteAsianFood.com. Today, I want to show you how to prepare a home-style carrot cake. It is all about the flavor and simplicity, not so much about decoration because it is home-style. Now in this video, I want to show you step by step how do I make it at home. If you want to get a recipe, please follow the link to the blog post right below the video. So let's get started with the wet ingredients. Let's start by combining all the wet ingredients. Here we have vegetable oil. This is corn oil. You can use other vegetable oil. And we have brown sugar. Add the brown sugar to the oil and combine until it is homogeneous. Next, add the eggs one by one. Okay, so this is the first part, the wet ingredients. Now we move on to the dry ingredients. As for the dry ingredients, we have the cake flour already sifted. And then we have baking powder, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Combine all the dry ingredients. Now we combine the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients by batches. Once we combine the dry and the wet ingredients, it's time to add the shredded carrot, some walnuts, and the chocolate chips. If you don't have chocolate chips, you can get a block of chocolate, put it in the refrigerator, let it harden, and then scrape it by using the knife. And that is your chocolate chips. These are the shredded carrot pieces. I'm using the box grater to shred it, and I prefer a little bit bigger so that after baking it still can be seen. And I prefer to add some walnut too. Just coarsely chop it. Combine the carrot and the walnut with the batter. The walnuts. Lastly, add the chocolate chips. Do not overmix the chocolate chips, otherwise the chips will all dissolve and broken down. Okay, looks good. I'm using my glassware to bake today. I've oiled a piece of baking paper and also oil the side of the glassware. Then transfer the batter into it. Bake in the preheated oven for about 35 to 40 minutes. 175 degrees Celsius top and bottom temperature. Remove from the oven once it turns golden brown. Let it cool for 10 minutes before removing it from the baking tray. Use a spatula to separate the cake from the cake pan. You can serve the cake right away and it is very flavorful. But if you choose to frost it, here is how to make a simple cream cheese frosting. Here is a simple recipe of the cream cheese frosting for our carrot cake. Over here we have the butter and the cream cheese have been left at room temperature for some time. It's now already softened. Combine both together. until light and fluffy. Now we add the already sieved icing sugar. Mix well. And then beat until homogeneous. Add some lemon juice and continue mixing until light and fluffy. First, apply a layer of crumb coat to catch any stray crumb on it. Then pop into the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Then remove from the refrigerator for the final coat. My decoration skill is not spectacular, but I know the taste is fantastic. Add a few walnut on it. And sprinkle some chocolate chip on it. If it's too soft, refrigerate it for a short while. I took it out from the refrigerator and I'll cut the cake. Cut it into squares. This is how I make my home-style carrot cake. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and I hope you will make it at home and share with your family and friends. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button and give me a like. Until the next video, I'll see you again. My name is KP Kwan. Bye for now.